Good day, everyone. I'm going to show you today how to log in to your Canvas ITC117 class and show you a little bit about how it works. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, you have to go to salemstate.edu and log in. If you come over to the login section on the right and come down to where it says e-learning Canvas, click on that, and it will take you to the login page. This is the login page for the class. What you need to do is to type your username. In my case, it's R. Campbell. You will have a different username. And you have to log in with your password. And my password I'm going to type in. Alright, I have my username and password. I'm going to click login. Now, what happens if you don't know what your login name is and your password? If you need help with that, it's very easy. Just call the IT helpline at 978-542-2036. And that will get you into the help desk, and they'll tell you how to do it. It's a very easy process. Okay, let's assume that you have your username now and you have your password. What you'll do is you'll click login. Now, you then need to pick which course you're taking. Some of you will be taking more than one online class. So what you'll do is you'll click on the course button up here. As you can see, I have several. The one I'm going to use for demonstration purposes is this 1430. This is an actual class that's going on right now. So anyway, you will pick the class that you're taking with me from the choice of classes. So we'll click on that. Now, when it comes up, mine is a little different from yours. This is the instructor view. I can't record on the student view, so I have to do it the only way I can. But I think yours is either going to come up to recent activities like this, or it will come up to announcements. I'm going to ask you, when you do log in, to click on the announcements button over on the left-hand side of the page. Click on announcements. And you'll see I have an announcement for you, and what you'll do is you double click on that to open the announcement and read it. Okay, it says, "Hi everyone, welcome to ITC117. To start the course, simply click onto the assignments button that appears on the left side of the screen," and let me highlight the rest of that. On the left-hand side of the screen. Once the list appears, click on the first assignment on the list, which is called the Start Here assignment, and then follow the directions that are given. Okay, so I've read the message, and what I'm going to ask you to do is you will click on the assignments button over here on the left. Click on assignments. By the way, don't click on this one up here. That's not the same thing. Click on the assignment button that says down here on the left-hand side, assignments. Okay, now here's the list of assignments. To begin the course, you're going to start off by clicking where it says Start Here. So you'll click Start Here. It takes a minute to load. Okay, now I know this isn't the right start date for you guys, but this is a sample. So it will tell you what to do for step one. First thing you do is you go and watch the welcome video that I have set up for you. It's a video of me telling you a little bit about the class, what textbook to use, and all that stuff. Now, so you'll click on that link and run it. Then it says, after you've watched the video, return to this page, and this page right here. You'll have done step one. So you come back to this page and then go to step two. It says here you need Office 2013 for the course. So this tells you a video to click on to find out how to get your free download of Office 2013. I know this says 2010 on my demo here, but this is last semester. All current semesters from here on are going to use Office 2013, and you must have that software, and it's free to download. Let me say a second about this. When you download it, absolutely download the 32-bit version. You get a choice, and it's free. You get a choice to download 32-bit or 64-bit. Even if you have a 64-bit machine, do not download the 64-bit. The 32-bit is the one you want. You'll see what I mean when you do it. There's simply a button to click on. Trust me, 32-bit is the right one to choose. There's a little glitch there with the 64-bit version that isn't worth dealing with. You'll have lots of trouble. So go with the 32-bit version, and it isn't necessary to uninstall your old version of Office 2010. It will just convert over to Office 2013. So, all right, so let's say you've done step number 2, and then there's a little note for Macintosh users. Then step 3, it tells you what to do. You click on the links, whatever it says. Then step 4, you get down, read. Step 4, step 4 is important. It gives you your due date calendar, but I will notify you always at least a week in advance, usually 10 days in advance anyway, to remind you of what due dates there are. But just quickly, I'll just open that for a second to show you. Click on the link, double click on the link, and I click OK to open it. And now when it opens, 2013 usually requires you to when it opens up, it usually requires you to click on this button that says Enable Editing on the top. So click Enable Editing, and then it comes up as a regular document. So I give you a calendar for the course. I give you the due dates and how long we're going to work on each item for word processing, how many days, Excel, how many days, and so forth. And down below is the due date for each of the items. So you shouldn't have any trouble with that. That'll be a big help, I think you'll see with that. So after you've done all the 6 steps on the start, okay, it's the 7 steps, okay? Once you've done all 7 steps on the Start Here assignment, then you can then go on to begin the course. And to do that, you'll click on the Assignments button again on the left, and you'll start with the Word Processing Unit. You'll double click on Word Processing Unit, and it says, welcome to word processing, start here. Everything is very well laid out for you. You find it works out very nicely. There are 9 assignments to complete. You want to know what they are? Click on the word processing assignment list and print it out. I'll click on that to open it up to show you. Double click on the blue link, click OK. And once again, to remind you, in the 2013 is probably going to require you to click the Enable Editing button on the upper right-hand corner. So let's click on Enable Editing. All right, and this is your word processing assignment list. When it starts off, first of all, it tells you some things you'll have to know in order to do the assignments. And then it'll remind you that every assignment begins by clicking the no spacing rule. You'll see what I mean as you start the assignments. Now, after you've read that information up there, you go down, and here's the actual assignment list. It says Assignment 1. In this problem, it tells you what to do. So you do just what it says. Then it says, do the found dog problem. It tells you what pages is in the book, and always read the stuff I give you. For example, I tell you to skip pages 49 to 50. If you don't read that, you do page 49 to 50, be scratching your head wondering what they're talking about and having an awful time. So the directions save you a lot of work, point out important things before you do the problem. So always read my directions before you start the problem. I even tell you what to save it as when you're done. And once you got that one done, go on to assignment 2, read the directions, and it tells you again how to save it, what to save it as, and so forth. Then just go on through the assignments, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way along. Sometimes you get assignments that tell you if you're using a Macintosh, you have to do something a little differently. Like here's an assignment here, you have the cruise ship problem. If you're using a regular PC, you do these directions. If you're using a Macintosh, you use these directions. But I'm very straightforward whenever that happens. And so then the last assignment is assignment 10. You know, it's not really an assignment. What it is you submit your work at that point. And it tells you, the directions tell you how to submit it. And as a matter of fact, to even show you how to submit the work, you hit the Control button and click on this button here that says How To, and it will show you. It takes you to a YouTube video. It takes a second to get there. Come on now. Oh, sometimes it's a little tricky. Trust me, it does work. I don't know why it's not working at the moment here. Let me try it one more time. Control, click. Trust me, it does work. Oh, there it goes. There's the video. And it shows how to submit your work. And it'll take a second for this to start up. Okay. And then the video begins. There's audio on it as well, and it tells you how to submit that. So I've got lots of videos to help you whenever you need it. So if you need help, don't worry about it. Just give me a call, send me an email, and we'll get you started right away. So really, that's all there is to it. So on the first day of classes, you're going to log in. You're going to click on on the left I have over here, and you read the announcement that tells you how to begin, right there. Then you click on the assignments button on the left, and once you get the assignments, you'll click on start here, and then it will take a second to load up, and it'll tell you what to do. Step 1, step 2, step 3. It's very easy. Okay, I wish you all good luck, and if you're new to online learning, don't worry, I'm going to be really helpful to you. You can call me up. I'll send you a video of the problem you're having and how to fix it, or if you call me up, I'll talk you through it step by step over the phone. So, you have a good time with it. Thanks a lot, and good luck. Bye now.